Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the Halal brand manager. So today I'm going to introduce you, my viewers, those who are interested in investing in Nigerian stocks, most especially those stocks that are halal compliant. So one of my go-to, investment platform here in Nigeria is Wise. Okay, for you to be able to have access to this stock, you need to really first understand how the stock market works. Okay. Two, equip yourself with the necessary information for you to be able to make any investment decisions. And three, do not have a gambling mindset. And four, always be patient. Okay, because the stock market goes up and down. So today, here, as you can see on the uh, screen, this is the Wise dashboard, and this is my dashboard, as you can see. So please, once again, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube to the channel, and also click on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. So let us move on. So we can see that once you just come to the website sprout.cowrywise.com, you have this dashboard after you have signed up. So after you have signed up, you have your dashboard where you have your home, invest, wallet, etc. Okay, so if I say I'm at home and I have this Lotus Allowed Fees Income Fund. Okay, now this is one of the investment drives, okay, that you can find on Cowrywise, and we know that Lotus is an halal brand, and over the years, been involved in facilitating various sukuk bonds, okay, with the federal government of Nigeria, okay, building roads, carrying out various investment drives. So you can also build your portfolio using Lotus Alert Free Income Fund, okay. So for you to be able to have access to this after you have your home, the next thing is for you to just come to invest. Come to invest. Under invest, you see various tabs where you can make your decision to invest in. But for this video, we are only concerned about halal investment. Okay, we're not concerned about those other investments that are not a part of the Islamic faith. Okay, for example, Islam does not allow you to invest in stock of alcohol making companies like breweries. Okay, Islam does not allow you to invest in companies that are involved in gambling such as Lotto, Bet Nigeria, and the likes, or Betway, Bar, Jebu, and the likes. You are not allowed, and it's a very big sin for you to invest in such company. Also, according to Islamic tenets, okay, you're not allowed to also invest in conventional banks. Yes, I know you may find it very strange. You're not allowed to invest in conventional banks because they are involved in haram products. Okay, haram products that allows them to receive interest, which is riba. Okay, that is for every money saved. Um, you know, every money deposit people are what are paid interest. Okay, and also for every money loaned out, the bank receives interest on the money that they loan out to their customers. Okay, and Islam does not allow interest. Okay, it doesn't allow you to earn from interest, except to enter into any form of partnership with the organizations. You can earn money from any profit being made, and also you can share losses equally. It all depends on the nature of the transactions we carry on. So you're not allowed. And any other companies that are into gambling, betting, alcohol, prostitution, like hotels that are involved in prostitution, you are not allowed to invest in them. So, what are those stocks that you're allowed to invest in? So, you're allowed to invest in, Islamic banks that are not into riba, okay? Those that are what that are following the ethics of the Islamic faith, okay? So, you're allowed to invest in such businesses. You're also allowed to invest in sukuk bonds by Islamic organizations, okay? You're also allowed to invest in organizations that are not involved in any form of haram businesses. Okay, so let us just check out what we have here now. We have this for you to invest, you have to come down to this. We have Nigerian stocks. This is a platform, the dashboard where you are going to have various stocks of organizations that are operating in the Nigerian Stock Exchange or Nigerian Exchange Group. Okay, so we have these tabs. We have this menu, my watch list, NGX30. Okay, I think the NGS 30 comprise of 30 companies, okay? Stock of 30 companies that are what they are quoted on the Nigerian Exchange Group, okay? And we also have indices, we have insurance companies, we have diversified finance, we have companies that are involved in services where you can invest in, okay? We have power company, we have banking, we have conglomerates, okay? Conglomerates, we have oil and gas, we have ICT, we have agriculture, we have consumer goods, health, industrial goods, construction, and Halal. So let us look at the Halal stocks. Okay, now under these Halal stocks, okay, you see that we have so many companies here that you can invest in. Okay, and these organizations are also what you will meet under the Lotus investment portfolio. Okay, so we have Aradel here, Aradel Holdings PLC. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to first look at what does Aradel do. You need to familiarize yourself with the activities of that organization before you begin to make an investment decision. Okay, so let us just click on Aradel to see what they do. So Aradel Holdings PLC, the stock is currently worth 1,070. Okay, so let us just do a quick check to see if truly let's check Aradel. Let's check Aradel. Let's check Aradel. Let's see stock market. Stock. Let's check stock. Okay, sorry. Let's see Aradel Holdings PLC stock price currently. So let's just do a search on Aradel. Okay, before we invest in that, let's just do a search on Aradel to see what Aradel is into. Okay, so you can see that according to my search here, you observe that the market price or the current stock price of Aradel is 1,670. Okay, which is similar to what we have here, which is similar. You can see that it's similar to what we have here, meaning that the quoted stock price here is the same as what we have in the market. Let us just go back there to check again. You can see RIDL Holdings, okay? So the current stock price is what? Is 1,017 naira, okay? So let us go back to Kawi Wise. So you can see that this is the stock price, and let us quickly check what we can see. So one thing that you need to understand is that you need to be able to familiarize with yourself with their financials, okay? You need to understand how to interpret their financial performance. Now, you see that let's look at their profitability. Profitability. So, how the company makes money? Aradel operates in the oil and gas industry. It makes money by exploring, producing, and selling crude oil and related energy products. Its revenue is tied to global energy demand and production efficiency. So this means that Aradel is an energy company operating in the oil and gas sector. Okay, and this is where they make their money from. So this is Halal. So what is the liquidity rating? You can see that they are rated 5.0. Let us check that. So Aradel is rated 5.0. Okay, you can see the 5 point liquidity rating indicates how easily a stock trades. Okay, higher ratings means faster execution, lower ratings may take longer or fail. So you can see that this Aradel stock is rated high. Okay, so it means that your trades can be executed easily and quickly. Okay, you can see people who are what orders that make people place orders. Okay, now the green indicator here shows that people are willing to buy at this rate. 500 people are already willing to buy at 1,001 naira. Okay, mean that you already have business on ground if you want to buy or sell. So we have 1,001 naira. People are 500 people are willing to buy at this price, while 1,120 people are willing to buy, sorry, to sell at 1,605 naira. Okay, we also have 6,712 people willing to sell at this rate of 1,001 naira, while we have 115 people willing to sell at 1,619 naira point 90 kobo, and so on and so forth, as you can see here. Okay, so this means that we have some people already on the waiting list on the platform that are willing to buy or sell the stock. Okay, if you have bought the stock already, you can easily sell the stock on Cowrywise. Okay, so let us go back and check. So we've checked their profitability. So let us check. We've checked their liquidity rating. Let's see that the current market cap, the company is currently worth a capital of 7.26 trillion naira. So dividend yield, okay, the dividend yield on your investment is 1.92% of any of your investment. Okay, the profit to earning, sorry, price earning ratios. Okay, the price earning to earnings ratio is 18.08. So the price to earning ratio is what? Is 18.08. Okay. So this is a very good one. So you can see that latest trading starts 1.67k open price. So this is the current. So currently the total trade volume is about 862,000 shares being bought at a total trade of 1.40 billion as at June 18th of 2026. A total of 862,000 trade were made at a rate of 1.40 billion naira. This is a very big market. Okay, so about the company is engaged in the exploration, development, and production of what of oil, natural gas, and petroleum products. Okay, you can see the founder, CEO, Adigbite Folade, Chairman Ladi Jadesimi. The company was incorporated in 1992. Dividend history: they paid dividend in November 20, 2025. The dividend per share is what 10 naira. Okay, meaning that if you have a 1,000 unit of shares with the company, okay, then they are paying 10 naira per dividend. It means that what you are going to pay 10,000 naira as a dividend. Okay, if you have 100,000 units of shares in this company and you're being paid a dividend of 10 naira, okay, it means that what you have 1 million naira as dividend. Okay, you can see that it's a very lucrative one, most especially when you have a whole lot of money, okay, to be able to invest in this stock. So let us move on to the other stock that we have. So we've checked Aradel. Okay, so let's see other stocks. Okay, let's check out other stocks. So you can see that we have Boa Cement. Boa Cement is currently trading at 378 naira. These are their last stock according to Cowrywise, as stated on Cowrywise. We have Boa Foods, is still currently trading at 939 naira. We have CAP PLC, is currently trading at 175 naira 10 kobo. We have Lafarge Cement, okay, about Africa, 330 naira. We have MTN Nigeria Communication currently trading at 800 naira. NASCON Allied Industry 219 naira point 50 kobo. Nigerian Aviation Handling, we have 165 naira. Okomu Oil Palm is trading at 1,419 naira per share. Presco is trading at 2,200 naira per share. And Dangote Cement is currently trading at 1,740 naira per share. And the price is currently down by 3.60%. Okay, so Jais Bank is also down by 4.5% and it's currently trading at 8 naira 40 kobo. So you can take advantage of this last stock and buy the stock now. Okay, so we're going to look at others in the next video, but for now, do stay tuned and also subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please do not forget to um, follow my channel on YouTube or on Rumble. Please follow my channel, and I'm going to be updating you in line with investment that has to do with halal brands. Okay, so I'm going to be exploring various brands that are halal and various investment drives that you can take advantage of that are also halal. Thank you very much for your time, and do have a great day. Bye bye.